కొంతమంది పైన ఉండొచ్చు
ఏంది వందనా కేజీ భారీ పెట్టాను పంజాబీ
తప్ప అంతకంటే మేము ప్రత్యేకంగా చేసేదానికి ఏమన్నా ఎవరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయండి
ఫోటోస్ టైమింగ్ సార్ మీటింగ్
nobody knows except our honorable incumbent and Mr.
आनंद उन्ना भैया भैया एक बार
anything between the top leaders up to my level.
Okay, what is the message to Chandrababu Naidu sir?
He made it very clear that don't be under the mistaken impression that people have given us power. Responsibility on our heads. So we will have to be very humble and we have to work towards the welfare of the people. And whatever promises we have made, we will have to move forward and fulfilling the promises we have made, because it is the people who discuss the fate of these politics. And we have to be with them. Stop it.
Okay, while you maintain that you are not going to disclose a lot about the Shell formula, but what role are we going to see in it?
Yes, there is huge public demand. But public demand is different, my anticipation is different, and what is there in the decision maker's mind is different. So nobody knows what is there in his mind.
When are you going to the governor?
No, they are already gone. They are already gone. I need not. Because only party big leaders.
So one thing that's coming to the fore is that apparently Janasena has asked for ministries like irrigation and as well as home. And it seems that TDP is not willing to give them away.
See, these are all rumors. Earlier also in Delhi they said we are demanding 6 portfolios, peak, so many things they mentioned. They are all rumors. Don't believe.
Okay, Janasena chief Pawan Kalyan.
Janasena chief and my party chief, they are loving each other. So there will be perfect understanding. No demand, it will be mutual, and people won't get any masala from them. It will be very smooth.
Does this mean that Pawan Kalyan is slated to be the deputy minister?
That is what everybody is saying, and we have a wish also.
All right. What's your message to Chandrababu Naidu?
Public had already taught us a big lesson.
Your message.
I have been giving messages since long, and I have been badly beaten up for giving that message. So now anyhow he can't do that, because he himself had been badly beaten up by the public with their verdict. So I think there is no need to talk about Jagan now, because he is already politically So no point in killing it at site.
All right, on that note, thank you very much.
Thank you.
సైడ్ ఓకే ఒక్క నిమిషం అన్న బాబునా
State coordinator, state committee member, state committee member.
రాయలసీమ భాష దేశకాండ అదే కదప్పా
రాజమండ్రి అవును ఈ మాట మొన్న తెంగళని కూడా చెప్పాను మన దగ్గర పెట్టాను
ఆయన అంటారు మా ఊరు బిడ్డ
సరే మరి
వీడియో బాబు సార్